Your TI-84 Evo can save a number into a letter and reuse it in later calculations. Start on the home screen and type the number you want to save, like 5. Press the stow key down in the bottom left corner above on. It drops an arrow in after your number. Now press alpha, then a letter. The letters are the small green labels above the keys, so alpha followed by math gives you the letter A. Press enter, and the 5 is now stored in the letter A. To use the value later, just type the letter anywhere you would type a number. Press alpha, then A, then enter, and the calculator hands back your 5. You can also drop A straight into a calculation. A plus 10 comes out to 15, using the stored value. Here's one last trick. Sometimes you want the actual number on the entry line, not just the letter. Press second, then stow. That's the recall command, and it asks which variable you want. Type the letter and press enter, and the 5 gets pasted onto the entry line, ready to edit. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.